Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to invite members to your team on OpenProject. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in OpenProject. What we want to do is we want to invite a member to our team. So on the top right hand side, you can see there's a plus button. You're going to click on this and here it says invite user. Now you can invite this user to a specific project. Okay, so we've got our two projects here. You can also just cancel this and it'll be invited. Your member will be invited to your account. So they'll be able to view every single project and not just one specific project. Here, these are permissions based on the assigned role in the selected project. Here, you can give permissions based on the assigned role in the selected project. There's a group permissions, and then this, there is no access to the project and no emails are actually sent out. So this is placeholder user. Okay, once you've chosen who you want to, or what permissions you want and what project you would like to have access to, you're going to say next. And here you can either add names if it's in your contact list, or you can just add email addresses directly. Then you can also choose a role in the project that you are adding this member. So they'll either be a member or a reader. Let's go ahead and also add an invitation message. And once we have added all of this information, you can say next. And here you can see that we have all of the details over here, and you can just simply say send invitation. This person will now receive this invitation and they will be able to log in to this project on OpenProject and see whatever you see given the permissions that you have provided.